So, how do we know what season it is? And how do we know that right now it's spring? Well, the weather in spring is pretty crazy. So if you look over here to the west, you can see the sun. There's the sun right there, and it's a blue sky. You can see that, that's the sunset. But if I turn my camera, if I show you over here on this side, I don't want to get hit by a car, but if you look over here, you can see, look at those clouds. That means it's gonna rain probably any second. So sometimes in the spring you get crazy weather like that. One side, like behind me, is totally sunny and blue sky. Look at that. It's actually very pretty. And then if I look over here, it's super dark and gray in the east. Look at that. That means a big storm might be coming. Over here, the west, still a bit of sun, and in the east, all rain. That's kind of what the spring is like. You can see the wind is starting to pick up here. It's getting pretty windy. And that's a little bit about what some of the things you can see in the spring. Here's one more example. You can see the sun right on that building there, but watch what happens if I turn down this way. Look at that. It's all gray. It's gonna rain soon, maybe.
Let's take a look at our solar system. Here we can see Earth as it moves around the sun. The side that's facing the sun is the daytime. And behind that, the other side, we have the night. That means that when it's sunny and daytime in Taiwan, in somewhere like Canada or America, it would be nighttime. Let's zoom out and look at our solar system. Everything moves around the sun.
So, the big question is, why do we have different seasons? Well, if you take a look here, I have a lemon that I put a chopstick through it. Now, with Earth, we have a North Pole. That's kind of where Santa lives. We have a South Pole. Lots of planets move around this way. They go around the sun and turn night and day, night and day, night and day, all around the sun. My head is the sun right now. But Earth is a little different. A long, long time ago, Earth got hit by a big rock. And so now, Earth's axis is a little bit more like this. So Earth is kind of tilted. It spins like this, and it kind of wobbles around, kind of like this. And it moves around the sun, kind of moving like this. And this is why we have seasons. And I'll explain that in a second.
It takes 1 year to orbit our sun. We go through all the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Whoa, who's that little guy? The sun in the north and the south. This is space. And here's our Earth. There's a lot of water on Earth and a lot of green land in the north and in the south. This is a pretty big Earth. There's our sun, so let's make Earth a lot smaller and draw the poles, north and south. Tilt it, and this line in the middle is the equator. That's the hottest part of Earth. It gets the most sun every year. That yellow line, that's where the sun is hitting directly. It's super hot. Take a look at the green and blue lines. That's where it's going to be colder. So right here in the north, it might be summertime, while in the south, it's the winter time. The back part, where there's no sun, is night, and the front that's facing the sun is the day.
That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.